have a built-in washer head that presses flush against any material. The cabinet screw is engineered for ease of use, performance you can rely on, and quality you can expect. The built-in washer head has a flat underhead design that seats flush against any material, creating a strong and secure installation. The 8-gauge diameter of the screw helps provide a universal size convenience and eliminates the splitting of materials. The recessed star drive virtually eliminates stripping with its 6 points of contact. Using case-hardened steel eliminates twisting and snapping, as well as gives structural values to the fasteners. The W cut on the first few threads of the screw acts like a saw blade, reducing torque and making install easier. And lastly, the self-tapping zip tip allows the screw to be installed without the need for pre-drilling. Alternate exterior applications include vinyl siding and underdeck lattice work. On interior applications, closet and garage organization systems mount easily with these screws. The cabinet screw is available with a powder-coated white head for a durable finish that allows it to hide in plain sight in today's most popular cabinet color.